You're such a goof. Can I pick you up? Can I pick you up by your leg? Ready? Oh.
Whoa.
Tick tock.
Oh.
Tick tock. Tick tock. Tick tock. Tick tock. Ah. Tick, 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 tick. Can you do a somersault? Do a somersault. Do a somersault. Come on. Do a somersault.
Huh?
Can you show me a somersault?
What, baby? Couch? Why do you want to get on the couch? Lila, what do you want to do on the couch? You want me to sit? Okay, now what? You want to get on my You want to get on my legs again? Oh, you want to go under like a bridge?
You gonna go over?
Oh! Whoa! You like that, huh?
She found something new. You gonna go over?
Whoop! Now you're gonna do.
This way is better.
Yeah.
You go over?
You tried to. Wow!
It's a good thing Mommy's here. You tried to do that in gymnastics, didn't you? You just ran over. It's a good thing it was too high for you.
Silly girl.
You gonna do somersault? Or you want to walk on your hands again?
Oh, you want to go jump
No,
on the
not
bed?
there. Let's do somersault. Let's walk on our hands. You do a somersault? Ready? Oh, I got you. No.
What?
No. I'm gonna tickle you then. I'm gonna tickle you. My little gymnast. I'm gonna tickle you. You're ticklish. You gonna climb in there? Oh, what are you doing? You going
Oh,
to sleep?
good night. Whoa!
It's been flattened too many times, Lila. You've been sitting on it too much. Now it won't stay up. Yeah.
Whoa!
Yay, say ta-da!
You say, we did it! Walk. You doing your jump again? Whoa.
Say, we did it!
You're in a very acrobatic mood.
Did you see her push my hand away?
Yeah. Now you want some help. No.
Jump! Jump! Jump off! Jump!
Whoa. Whoa. You're gonna fall backwards.